Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on sale, we have our TSEG grinding disc 30 grits. This is definitely a long life disc. It's great for grinding concrete, terrazzo, even natural stone. It rides over lippage beautifully. It has the soft edges. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on special, we have our bush hammer grinding plates. Now the bush hammers, we use them to level off a concrete floor. If you have to apply a heavy build coating and you need a very aggressive surface profile. If you want to expose large aggregate for grinding seals or polished concrete, message me now. Jordan with US Abrasives. Currently on special, we have our Cutter Classless, which is made for super hard concrete. If you're ever on a super hard floor and you're having a hard time opening it up, the Cutter Classics for lightweight machines, for heavy machines, it will open hard concrete fast. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on special, we have our TSEG Cup Wheel with the 5/8 11 threading. We have a bunch of these in stock. Now this exclusive high segment design is great for long life for the cup wheel. It is more aggressive, so it's great for leveling off floors, lippage, etc. Message me now. Here with US Abrasives. Currently on special, we have magnetic adapters for Husqvarnas. So if you don't want to run a proprietary style tooling and you want to run tooling from, let's say, somebody in your backyard, buy our adapters. Save some money by the end of the year. They're great adapters, they work. Message me now. Jordan with US Abrasives. Currently on special, we have our full bar 16 grit grinding plates and the extra soft bond. So for super hard floors, you want a profile right away for a coating. You go in with the 16 grit bars and you'll get a great surface profile right away. Message me now.